everyone, this is me Maha, your English instructor from Tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing good and are in great spirits. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss book exercise for Unit 8 जिसका नाम है Wasteland. So first question is, what is the thesis statement of Mann's essay Wasteland? Answer, the thesis statement of Mann's essay Wasteland is, here is the mark of savages, the testament of wasters, the stain of prosperity. Mann's essay is accentuating a very common problem of modern day's world, which is pollution. Man is destroying the earth and making it a wasteland by throwing garbage recklessly in water, on ground, and even making the air which we breathe polluted. The living organisms are dying due to man's this barbarism. Writer says one day earth will take revenge. Man himself is destroying its habitat. Second question is, how many examples of waste does Mann's cite? What do they have in common? Answer, Mann has cited 5 examples of waste, and they are cans, paper, carcasses of cars, bottles, and light bulbs. The similarity between things are that they all are waste materials which can't be brought into use once they have completed their period of usage. And after they are used to their full extent, they are meant to be dumped or disposed properly. Human beings throw them away carelessly and they pollute the environment. Third question, what purpose does Mann's want to achieve? Does it work? Answer, Mann's has tried to depict the picture of today's world, that how people has turned the earth into a wasteland by throwing garbage anywhere they want to. She has explained that how people have become insensitive towards maintaining a good environment for themselves and for other living organisms to coexist. She wants to make it clear that the world is polluted as a result of the actions of human beings. Fourth question, in what way is Mann's essay persuasive and how does it differ from a formal argument? Answer, Mann's essay is persuasive and not a formal argument because it is not supported by some authentic facts and figures. Mann's has incorporated various literary devices in her writing, such as repetition to lay emphasis and then questioning, which is also to draw attention of the audience to some specific topic in the writing, and particularly on this aspect that how people throw waste with no consideration. She has also used simile in her writing, where she compares a can with a vessel, who spoil the purity of our ocean beaches with the empty vessels of their thirst. These literary devices and this writing style makes her writing more impactful. Fifth question. In paragraph number 5, Mann's writes, there will not be one beach, one hill, one land, one meadow, one forest free from the debris of man and the stigma of his improvidence. Is it an accurate statement or exaggerated? Explain. Answer, it is not an exaggerated statement or an overstatement when writer says there will not be one beach, one hill, one land, one meadow, one forest free from the debris of man and the stigma of his improvidence. It is the true depiction of the today's world. This line can have strong impact on readers, which can awake them to show some concern, care, and responsibility towards our planet. It is actually a warning that if we won't change our behavior towards Earth, soon we'll be deprived of natural resources. Sixth question, who is Mann's audience? What assumptions does she make of it? Answer, Mann's audience is common American people or people of modern world in general. She is targeting such people of the world who are hollow from mind and heart. She is talking about such people who are destroying their future by their own hands by polluting land, water, and air. Apparently, they look educated and conscientious, but their action contrasts to what they try to be. According to writer, these people are savages. Seventh question, why does Mann's use such a short paragraph? Paragraph number 7, why does she not merge it with the longer paragraph that follows? Answer, in this paragraph, Mann's uses a literary device of questioning for the first time to emphasize a problem and its consequences. She asks only one question. That is why paragraph is short. A paragraph usually contains only one theme. The theme of the next paragraph is different from the previous one. Therefore, the author did not merge this short paragraph with the longer paragraph that follows. Eighth question. Is Mann's argument based on emotion or factual evidence? Illustrate. Answer: Manza's argument is partly based on emotion and partly on factual. She has stated facts which she sees around her. She has depicted that how people are destroying their own environment, their own planet. She states that wasters and despoilers are impoverishing our land, and at the same time, she is using a disappointed tone in her writing. She expresses annoyance and disappointment, and these both are types of emotion. Thank you.